morning to all. Today I am going to teach you chapter 6 in maths. Be my multiples, I will be your factors. Now what is factor, that I am going to explain you with the example. For example, take 12. 12 is a given number and you are supposed to write the factors. Factors means the number by which you can divide 12. So 12 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. Okay. Another trick for knowing the factors of the given number is 12 comes in the table of 2. That means 2 6 are 12. It also comes in the table of 3. That means 3 4s are 12. It also comes in the table of 4. 4 3s are 12. Then 6th table, 6 2s are 12 and 12 1s are 12. So these are the factors of number 12. Here you will see another example, 9. 9 comes, 1 9s are 9. It doesn't come in table 2 because 2 is even and 9 is odd. So go for 3. 3 3s are 9 and directly you will get the 9. 9 1s are 9. So 1 is a common factors for all the numbers. 1 is a factor for all numbers. Okay, now you can see 1 is the smallest factor and the greatest factor is number itself. Okay, so in all the numbers when you ask for factors, for example take 24. 1 comes in all, then 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Here also you can see 1 is the smallest factor and 24 is the greatest factor. That means number itself is the greatest factor. So smallest factor in all the number is 1 and the greatest factor is number itself. Okay. Now these are the numbers which divides the number given in the question to find the factors. For example, 12. 12 is divisible by all its factor, by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 6 and by 12. Same here, 9 also is divisible by 1, 3 and 9. 24 also is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So these are the factors of the number. When you ask to write the factors of any number, you just see that number comes in which all tables, or you can think these numbers are divided by which are numbers which can be divided by this, and the divisible numbers are the factor of that number. So here is I am telling main points is first is the smallest number or smallest factor and the number itself is the greatest factor. Okay. Next is multiples. Multiples means a number is multiplied for several times. For example, if you want to write the multiples of 3, that means 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. It goes on up to 3 10s are 30, 3 12s are 36, so on. So the products of the number are the multiple of number itself. Here you can say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 30, 36 are the multiples of 3. That means the table of 3 and the answer what you are getting, product what you are getting are the multiples of the given number 3. If it is asked write the first 5 multiples of 3, then you have to write only up to 5. That means 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15 are the first 5 multiples of 3. If it is asked first 3 multiples of any number, okay, if it is said write first 3 multiples of 8, then write the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So here 8, 16 and 24 are the multiples of 8. Now here you can see factors have the smallest factor is 1. 1 is the smallest factor of all number. Here number itself is the smallest multiple of all numbers, and numbers will not have the greatest multiple. As I told you, factors have the greatest factor is number itself. But here in the multiple, smallest multiple is number itself. And the smallest factor for all the number is 1. Greatest factor for all the number is number itself. And in multiples, smallest multiple is number itself. So here, smallest multiple of 8 is 8 itself. The greatest you will not have because it will prolong up to many digits. As you go on multiply the same number, you will get the answer over and over, biggest and greatest, and there is no greatest multiple in any number. So now, I'll show you the difference between the factors and multiples. Hello, factors and multiples. Now for example, if you want to write the 15 numbers factor, so factor of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Here you can see smallest factor is 1. Greatest factor is 15. The same number for multiple is 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75. So here you can see the difference. 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75. First 5 multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75. Now see, the smallest multiple is multiple of 15 is 15 or number itself. There is no greatest in multiple. So that is clear. 1 factor 1 comes in all the number and greatest is number itself. Here the smallest multiple is number itself and no greatest. This is the difference between the factors and multiples. Factors can divide the given number, whereas multiples are number given is divided for many times. So now your homework is write first 5 multiples of 3, 12, 16. Write first 3 multiples of 9. Write all the factors of 8, 24, 36. Write the smallest and greatest factors of 42.